Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use Xero. What is Xero? It is one of the best online accounting softwares around, and after watching this tutorial, you'll get to realize why it is so popular, as its interface is very beginner friendly and also it offers numerous advantages. For example, you'll be able to keep track of your invoices, create invoices, and you will be overall a lot better with your bookkeeping after signing up to this platform. And also it is cloud based, so you can access it from anywhere in the world. All you need is reliable internet. So what I would recommend you do if you're a small business owner or a medium-sized business owner or even a freelancer is simply sign up to Xero.com, and you can get started for completely free by tapping on Try Xero for free in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on that, you will be redirected to this page, and from here you can continue with the verification process. Then you'll be redirected to this dashboard after you have verified the link in your email address. Once you have verified the link, all you will need to do is add your business name. Then you are going to choose an industry, and you are going to add the country your business is in, and you're also going to set up your last financial day for the year. Then you are going to add, do you have employees? You can select yes or no. Then tap on I'm not a robot. After doing that, you are going to tap on Start Trial. Once you have tapped on Start Trial, you will be redirected to your dashboard. So just give it a few seconds, and then I'm going to show you what to do once you are led to your Xero dashboard. As you can see right here, my dashboard is loading up, and you can see my company name in the top left hand corner. After you have led to this dashboard, all I want you to do is tap on the X in the top right hand corner. After you have tapped on the X, you can see how your dashboard looks right here. And what I want you to do, right where you see plus in the top right hand corner, you are going to tap right there. After you have tapped on plus, from here you'll be able to create a new invoice. You can also create bill, contact, quote, purchase order, spend money, receive money, and transfer money. But before doing all of that, you will need to edit your business information. And to edit your business information, all you'll have to do is go over to the top right hand corner, tap on your profile pic. After you have tapped on your profile pic, you could tap on Edit Profile. Once you have tapped on Edit Profile, you'll be led to your profile settings, as you can see right here. And from here, you can scroll down, and if you would like to add a profile image, you can do that. You can also set up your job title and add a brief bio. After you have added the brief bio, you could add in your website information, then tap on Save. After doing that, we are going to go back to the dashboard. So once you have added those information, I want you to go back to the dashboard. Then from there, you are going to tap right where you see your business name in the top left hand corner. After you have tapped on your business name, I want you to select Settings. Once you have selected Settings, you will be redirected to this page. And on this page, you are going to tap right where you see Organization Details. And by tapping on this, you'll be able to add your company logo, also add your company address and other legal information. So you could upload your company logo right there, and then you can add the organization type, you can add the business registration number and the organization description. This is very important to make your invoicing look a lot more professional. So you can add your company website, email address, and telephone number. After doing all of that, you are going to scroll down to the bottom, then you are going to tap on Save. Once you have saved it, you can go back, and from here you will see Payment Services. I want you to tap right there. After tapping on Payment Services, you will be redirected to this dashboard. Just give it a few seconds to load up. And from here, you will be able to add payment services. So right where you see available payment services, you are going to tap on add other. Then from there, you could select PayPal, Stripe, or any one of these payment services. So all you'll need to do, for example, to set up a PayPal account, you could tap on PayPal. Then from there, you'll add your PayPal sign-in. So you'll add your PayPal name, email address, and payment account right here. So you're going to tap right there. Then you'll tap on save. After you have done that, you're going to go back to the dashboard and you are going to tap on dashboard in the top left hand corner. Once on the dashboard now, it is time to create our first invoice. And to create an invoice, as I said earlier, all you will need to do is tap on the plus in the top right hand corner. Then you are going to tap on invoice. After you have tapped on invoice, you will be redirected to this page. And from this page, the first thing you're going to do is add the client name right here. So you could tap right there. Then you'll see get started with your invoice. And from there, you're going to add the contact name. After you have added the contact name, you would add the issue date. And you can also add the date on which the invoice is due. So you can do that. And you can see the invoice number. After you have done that, you can set up your online payments by tapping right there. And you could set up the online payment. You can also select the currency that you would like to get paid in. And after you have done that, you're going to scroll down. And from there, you can attach files if you want. And once you're finished creating your invoice, all you'll need to do is tap on preview to preview how it looks. And if it is to your liking, all you'll need to do now is tap right where you see save and close, or you could tap on approve and email, and from there you could send it to the client. After you're finished doing that, I want you to tap on the plus again, and from there I'll be showing you how to add contacts. So to add contacts, all you would have to do is tap on the plus, then tap on contacts, and from here you'll be led to this dashboard on which you'll be able to set up contacts. So all you will need to do is add the person's name or the business name, then their account number, and you can add the primary person's first and last name and also email address and phone number as you see here. Once you are finished doing all of that, you'll simply tap on save and close. And that's it. Another thing that you can also do is by tapping on the plus again. After you have tapped on the plus, if you would like to create a quotation, you can do that. If you would like to create a purchase order, you could do that. All you would have to do is tap on purchase order. After tapping on purchase order, you will be redirected to a new page. And from here, you could add the contact information. After adding the contact information, you can add the information right here. Then you can tap on also add new line if you would like to add more lines to your purchase order. Another thing you can also do, you can send and receive money using Xero. So let's say, for example, you would like to receive money. You will simply tap on receive money. After you have tapped on receive money, you will be led to this dashboard and you are going to need to add your bank account. So you'll simply tap on add bank account. Then you are going to add your bank account information right there. And after you have done that, you'll be able to share your bank account information to start receiving money using Xero. And you can also use this platform to send money. As I said earlier, all you would have to do is tap on send money. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe. And thank you for watching.